We have Twilio's design system to review. It's updated, quite modern. They have a bunch of themes and seems to be pretty well optimized, especially if you need a large enterprise software as they do. This looks like a very interesting one to use. Some optimizations here and there could be done, but nothing major. And they do cover a lot of stuff. Wish they had more samples. They're pretty light on that. You can barely see what they have, but other than that, again, it's not a bad design system. Not necessarily the biggest fan of their UI style, but in terms of accessibility and good UX, this is actually a very solid one. I would much rather prefer this, for example, over the Salesforce one, just because it's a bit nicer in general. But yeah, not a bad one. Not the best, not the worst. I wish they had more examples. Other than that, pretty solid.